Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can soft reset Samsung Galaxy M55 5G. So in order to do this, we need to press and hold the power button and the volume down button for approximately 10 seconds. So press and hold them and keep holding them until the screen turns completely black. So keep holding it and eventually the screen, there we go, should turn off. Now what we need to do is simply wait for the device to turn itself back on. Now it might take like even 30 seconds or even a minute before it turns back on, at least, and this is the case. This is the case on in my example. But like I said, eventually it should turn back on. You should see the Samsung logo on the screen, and we need to simply be patient. In your case, it might be a little bit faster, but in my case, it takes a little while. Definitely slower than on other devices. So let's wait a couple of more seconds to see if it actually turns back on, but it definitely should. And there we go. Now we can see the Samsung logo. So this is how we can do the soft reset. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.